Hey painting friends, it's Stoof. Welcome back to my channel. It is time again for my monthly memo email, which is basically my monthly newsletter in a YouTube vlog format. While I'm on the topic of my newsletter, if you are not subscribed yet and you would like to receive my monthly newsletter, you can visit my website, stephmoracafineart.com, and a little pop-up will show up there and you guys can fill out that form, which will add you to my once a month newsletter email list. I can't believe it is June already. This year is flying by. I thought the years went by quickly without a child, and now with a child it is going even faster. But here we are at June 2025. Before I dive into my June items, I want to talk about what I did in May this past month. So I painted live at several different wedding venues in Pennsylvania. The most recent one was just in Pittsburgh at the Renaissance Hotel. That was a pretty cool one. It's always nice to paint live in my hometown area. It doesn't get to happen too often, so I enjoyed that one. I also sold an original painting, the painting titled Colors of the Pacific Coast, this one right here. This painting sold to a new collector on artfinder.com. Last month I didn't finish any new paintings, but I do still have this guy available. This painting I completed in April. This is an oil painting of the 12th hole at Augusta National, titled Number 12 Golden Bell. That is the title of this hole. Amen corner in Augusta National where the Masters tournament is held. This is a 12-inch by 16-inch framed piece, and it is available on my website, which is linked right here and in the description under this video if you're interested. This past month I also kicked back up that national park painting series. I haven't finished any of those pieces yet, but keep an eye out for some tutorials of landscapes inspired by some of our beautiful national parks. If you follow my channel closely, you may remember it was definitely over a year ago. I had this grand idea to do one 8 by 10 inch oil painting for every national park that I visit, hoping to have a set of 63 paintings at some point. Hopefully visiting every national park. I started that project with one painting, and then I got pregnant, and then I had a baby, and now I started it back up again. So keep an eye out for some of those paintings coming your way soon. The one I'm working on now is of Arches National Park. So, okay, moving on to June. This coming month, I have to paint live again at several places. June is my busiest month this year for live event painting. I have weddings in Pittsburgh coming up soon, West Virginia, over on the eastern side of Pennsylvania, and one in the middle of Pennsylvania. So spread out a little bit for the month of June. I also plan to do some traveling this month, so keep an eye out for potential plein air painting videos at the beach. Those might be coming your way. And I hope to finish one or two of those national park paintings that I started back up on. So June is looking like it's going to be a busier month than May, and that's okay because I enjoy what I do. All right, thanks for watching my monthly memo. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you're working on a painting right now, happy painting. Bye-bye.